I like to mark my points laying down, but then when I'm going to mark all my lines, my connecting lines from 1 to 2 to 2 to 3, from 4 all the way down to 3, I like to doing sitting up. Why? Because I feel like I have more visibility of the balance between the eyebrows. I can see which one's higher, which one's lower, and that's why we set up our client. I'm gonna place it right here and I'm gonna mark my highest point, which is about right here. That's where the bone was marking it. And then I'm going to round it up and I'm going to connect it all the way down to my 0.3. You wanna make sure you're using your pencil in a 90-degree from her skin. You wanna mark it right here, and then you're gonna glide it down. And then I'm gonna connect backwards. I'm gonna build some lines slowly. And then I'm gonna try to make it more perfect right here. You want to clean your lines very well. Going to create the thickness about there. And then you're going to go in and connect all the way to 0.3. There we go.